we're doing an unboxing, a Shopkins unboxing, and mini brands, and world's smallest. What do you want to open first?
These.
Okay.
There's a lot.
I think this is the crocodile thing.
I want to play with it. They really work. What is that?
Oh, look who's right.
Yes, actually works.
So, out of this world's smallest, I got this little crocodile, which, if you know what it is, goes like this. And these actually work. And you press down his little teeth until he bites you. So he's cute.
Just like you.
Item number 1 done.
What if I got the crocodile too? This is a silly putty. Yeah, it's silly putty.
We already got silly putty.
1, 2.
They're mini, obviously. They're really hard to
I was
open.
gonna say they're really hard to open.
I open everything with my teeth. But they actually do have little.
It's kind of a rip-off if you think about it, because these are like $6, and a regular silly putty would be cheaper. No fun.
Okay, moving on. Should we do this?
Yeah.
Or go? Okay.
That one's gonna take a
Moving
while.
on to mini brands, which I saw these on TikTok. So if you watch TikTok, now that everything's off, they have like 6 things. Or 5, I guess. I can't count. Anyway, we'll start with this one. So then they have little thingies on them.
It says 5 surprise everywhere.
This one is little Mentos. Doing the beauty groove thing. Doesn't open though. But it's little Mentos. Warheads. Little Pez. Lipton tea. Last one is Hawaiian Tropic Tanning Lotion. I wish these had like little ones in it. Like a little bit of lotion in it.
Like actual stuff on it.
Yeah.
Came off in 3 layers.
Let's take that thing off.
This is a lot of plastic.
I know.
First one is bacon sprinkles. Should I do it too? I block you.
Oh, it's a little shopping cart. I'll do it while you unbox the rest.
There's instructions if you need them. A mystery airhead. Probably doesn't taste good because I think there's styrofoam in it.
I love mini stuff.
A little tub of vegan butter. I'm good at this. I'm gonna be a beauty guru. A little jar of peanut butter.
I have to figure out how to assemble this.
You want me to do it while you open yours?
I don't really get it. I wish the directions were colored. Okay, well, you can figure it out.
Oh, I'm going to, don't you
Okay,
worry.
the last thing I got is this. I also saw it on TikTok. It's Shopkins' version of the mini brands, but like in them, they have like a little Shopkins thing instead of it just being empty. So let me get this open really quick because I'm excited. Oh, let me like pose for a thumbnail.
You want me to?
Mm-hmm. Okay, So it came with like this Pringles can that's fake. And then it has this mini Pringles can that opens at the top with this little Pringle Shopkins. And she has like sour cream because it's the sour cream Pringles. But it's so cute. Like, it's so fucking cute. So then this opens like this. Oh fuck.
Break that.
And then there's like a sleeve of them that comes out. So you actually get a lot. It was like $10. So, yes. This I saw in the TikTok. It's the Twinkle Toes Skechers. And
That's
like
exciting.
inside another bag. It's a little shoe. Look at that.
Beautiful.
It's so cute. And it has like the little Twinkle Toes Skechers box. It is so cute. Next one is Blue Bonnet Butter, I think. So the top comes off. And then this is what the little Shopkins looks like. It's just like a little thing of butter. It's so cute. Honestly, I highly recommend buying these. Like, they're just so adorable. This one is Pigs in a Blanket.
You saw that one on the TikTok too.
Yeah. Just a little pig in a blanket. So cute. If I was little and these existed, oh my god, I would die. Because I loved like Barbies, and this would be like such cute Barbie food. Next thing I got is diced tomatoes. So this is just a little tomato, and it's actually kind of squishy. Not like super squishy, but a little bit. And he's cute.
Are you sure these are designed for a child?
Look, babe. Pop-Tarts.
Ooh. Can I eat it?
Cherry Pop-Tarts.
I give this thing 2 stars.
The shopping cart. You don't have to do it.
I think it's broken. I think it's missing a piece.
It looks like this.
Should I go buy the other 2?
And it has a little bite taken out of it. I would buy the other 2 if they weren't $10 each. The last item in the sleeve are more Skechers. Different kinds of Skechers, but more.
Rip off.
Just this little pink Skechers shoe.
Yeah, that's right here. I probably put that.
Oh, there's still another one.
Your excitement.
Okay, the last one is spaghetti sauce. Even though I already got diced tomatoes, which is pretty much the same thing. It's just a little, like, spoonful of sauce. And this one's a little squishy, too.
Should I go buy the rest of them?
If you want to spend $20 more. Well, that concludes this haul.
All the plastic.
That concludes this haul. I look really ugly in this lighting.
Nope.
But goodbye.
Goodbye.